Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Kanen Coffee. Today we have an old school espresso machine. We have an Olympia Maximatic, and it was brought to us because it was having issues with ground shooting out from the group head, so we replaced the group head along with getting it a new gasket, and there were some connectivity issues concerning making coffee, so we had to look at the solenoid valve. We replaced that as well, along with replacing a brand new charcoal filter in the water tank. Let's try to pull a shot. Nice crema coming in. Let's have a look at the steam. Good pressure. There you have it. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, along with giving us a thumbs up and sharing it if you get some time. Have a good one.